Hi, my name is Red Switch, and I am one of Autumn's Wadsworth Breaker boxes, and she is my best friend, and I like it. We have fun together because she makes me trip a breaker on purpose with a 12-volt battery, and my breaker feels great when it's tripped. It's massaging. I love myself and I love my breakers. I love my switches. I like to feel my own switches or my own breaker box body, and I like to flip them, and I like to poke myself in my red trippy indicators, and my nose itches. Let's scratch that Wadsworth nose, and my breakers are squishy and juicy and fat, and my breakers are really chunky. I really like the Wadsworth style. I am proud to be a Wadsworth breaker box. And I love all my family members in the Wadsworth family. And I hope all of my other Wadsworth family members are doing okay. And maybe I should call and tell them that I trip my breaker a lot on purpose.